back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to tag staking versus airdrops. So tax is right in Koinly. So for this, you need to simply go and tap open your Koinly, and once you want to know that your taxes right for stacking or airdrops, all you gotta do is simply tag staking rewards as reward or income and airdrops as airdrop to ensure your correct tax calculation. Once you have completed this as well, you can simply be assured that Coinly will automatically tag many transactions. It's crucial to review and manually adjust tags for accurate reporting. So the specific tax treatment depends on your country's regulation and your personal situation as well. So by doing this, you can simply know the difference between staking and airdrops. So that your tax is right and Coinly. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.